In today's video, I'll teach you how to block YouTube on Chrome. What you have to do is simply click on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now after that, click on the option extensions and click on this option visit Chrome Web Store. After that, you'll be able to visit the Chrome Web Store, or you can also click on the search bar and type in this link chromewebstore.google.com. Now after that, click on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is simply search for block site. You'll be able to see the results over here. Simply click on this extension block site, block websites and stay focused. Now after that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Right over here, you'll be able to find this option for add to Chrome. What you have to do is click on it. Right now I've already added it. Now what you have to do is click on the extension icon that you can see at the top. Now find the option for block site and click on it. Now you can see over here this extension will be open. Simply click on this option edit block list. Now once you do that, you'll be led to another tab. You can see over here block site will be opened. Click on this option add to block list. Now after that, you'll be able to block the sites of your choice. Simply click on the search bar and type in YouTube. You'll be able to see the results over here. Click on the plus icon right next to the option for youtube.com. Now after that, click on this option done. Now you can see over here YouTube has been added to the blocked items. Now if you go to the new tab and type in youtube.com, you can see over here YouTube will not be opened. That means it has been blocked. So that is how you block YouTube on Chrome. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.